Here's a list of stuff from kinda magical to unbelievably magical. Body wash that's also shampoo. Mentos and cola. Things that fly. With your help, the magical is about to get magical-er. Meet Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He loves things that fly. He once tried to turn his car into an airplane. No success. Shai always said that his dream was to bring the joy of flight to everyone. A few years ago, he made a breakthrough in the field of cool stuff that flies. He invented the Power Up, the first electric paper airplane. But then a friend of Shai's told him, "Nice gadget, really, but you can't make a remote-controlled paper airplane." Shai took a moment to think and said, "Challenge accepted." 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shai's unbelievably magical invention, Power Up 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Power Up 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Power Up 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front, there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shai learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the Power Up 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shai made it really cool. Power Up 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully functional and the super ultra magical Power Up 3 is ready for production. This is where Shai needs your magic beans. If you help Shai get to 1,400 backers, you'll help him bring the joy of flight to everyone and obtain the privilege to look down on regular paper planes for the rest of your life. So back Power Up 3 and help make the magical, magical-er.
Hello Kickstarter, we are Onion. As makers, we use development boards to build all sorts of cool stuff. But most development boards on the market fell short of our expectations. They're bulky, confusing to set up, and overcomplicated. We usually spend far more time reading the documentation than actually using them to build things. Today, we're changing that. Say hello to the Omega 2, the world's simplest development board. The Omega 2 is tiny. At less than a quarter of the size of your credit card, it can easily fit into any project. But don't be fooled by its size. The Omega 2 is powerful. It is a full Linux computer. That's right. This tiny purple thing runs the same operating system that powers some of the world's most mission-critical infrastructure. The Omega 2 works out of the box. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and onboard storage, so it comes to life the moment you power it on. The Omega 2 is familiar. You control it with apps, just like your regular computer. We even have an app store, so you can discover apps created by the community. The Omega 2 is easy to program. In fact, you don't even have to write any code. It supports Node-RED, a graphical tool that you can use to create programs by simple drag and drop. But if you are into writing code, the Omega 2 supports many programming languages. Pick one you're already familiar with and start building. The Omega 2 is cloud connected, so you can remote control it securely from anywhere in the world. The Omega 2 is expandable. We have created many plug-and-play expansions, so adding new features to your project will look something like this. The Omega 2 is affordable, starting at only $5. Yep, 5. It is cheaper than this Frappuccino. We want to lower the barrier to entry so everyone can join the maker movement. So you see, Kickstarter, the problem is that the tools for building amazing things are just not accessible for everyone. And that is why we're working so hard to make the Omega 2 really easy to use. But we need your help to make it affordable as well. So please back our campaign and tell all your friends. We can't wait to see what amazing things you'll come up with. Thank you.
This is Chip, the world's first $9 computer.
Connect over composite, VGA, or HDMI.
Chip does computer things. Save your documents to Chip's onboard storage. Surf the web over Wi-Fi. Play games with a Bluetooth controller. But wait, there's more.
This is Pocket Chip. It makes Chip portable. Take Chip, put it into Pocket Chip, and you can use Chip anywhere.
You might have noticed, Chip looks a little different than every other computer.
Because we built Chip to fit into your projects.
And we're so excited to see what you can do with a $9 computer. Kickstarter, we need your help. To make Chip for $9, we need to buy components in extremely large quantities. Help us make the $9 computer a reality and back Chip on Kickstarter today. Thanks.
For thousands of years, humans have been filling their notebooks and then just buying more.
It's like the notebook industry has given up on innovation.
Hey, what's this? The notebook Hemingway wrote on? That's cool, I guess.
We're from Rocketbook, and we make notebooks from the future.
At Rocketbook, we are already famous for inventing the Wave Notebook, the smart notebook that can be erased in the microwave. We've shipped 100,000 waves to satisfied customers around the world. Others may stop there, but we're maniacs obsessed with blending old-fashioned notebooks with future and awesome. So we've spent a year in the Rocket Lab designing a new notebook that feels like pen and paper, but is endlessly reusable and completely integrated with your digital lifestyle. Introducing the Everlast Notebook from Rocketbook. The Everlast brings cloud scalability to pen and paper. Simply write, scan, and erase. Imagine 1,000 of your favorite notebooks in one sleek design that fits in your backpack. Here's how it works. Everlast pages look and feel like paper, but they're actually constructed from a polyester composite rather than wood. You write on the Everlast using any pen from the Pilot Friction line, which are available in-store and online. Writing on the Everlast feels perfectly natural and smooth. And as the ink dries, it forms a complete bond to the polyester page, so it won't rub off. But what makes this formulation so unique is that each page can be wiped completely clean with a moist towel. So it can be used over and over and over again. The Everlast Notebook is also compatible with the Rocketbook app. So before you wipe your notes off the page, you can blast them online to your favorite cloud services. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Everlast Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or many other services. You could configure your diamond to send meeting notes directly to your shared team folder in Dropbox. Or students could configure their star symbol to send notes right to a math folder in Google Drive. So you can make your list, break out that diagram, or color in that drawing. Then tomorrow, start your day with a brand new notebook. With the Everlast, one notebook becomes 1,000 notebooks. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
My inspiration has been to combine the best of our Swiss heritage in traditional watchmaking with the key features of a smartwatch to persuade the majority of consumers adopting our wearable technology. We wanted to create a wearable without compromises, a one that it's desirable and will be accepted and worn by majority of consumers. Z-Time will provide a 30 days battery on a single charge and a water resistant, up to 30 meters.
When we first started working on the Z-Time project, we knew from day one that the most critical challenge for us would be to offer users the opportunity to keep track of the daily time without necessarily having to turn on the display and therefore have some battery life issues.
This has been accomplished with Z-Time, the perfect hybrid smartwatch. It combined the best of both worlds. Stainless steel watch case and mechanical hands of an elegant traditional timepiece with a full color touchscreen that instantly shows incoming calls, smartphone notification, real-time fitness activity, upcoming calendar events, daily reminders, and much more, right from your wrist.
The best way to deliver mechanical hands experience with a smartwatch was actually to use real ones. But how? And how to make the background of a traditional watch becoming smart? Well, drilling a hole into a TFT display was the only solution. We spent countless hours with our engineering team and industrial partner finding the right solution to create a brand new touchscreen that could accept a pass-through mechanical hand solution. And we finally did it, over hundreds of prototypes and design proposals. By combining a revolutionary TFT color display together with an ultra-precise touch panel and a high-grade quality glass, we succeed to deliver the best of both worlds. An amazing smartwatch that can offer both touchscreen experience together with a traditional timepiece. But we didn't stop here.
With our own OS, we can tweak the lowest level features to improve power consumption. In addition, this OS comes with a lot of pre-installed applications and a wide series of nice watch faces.
Why using a traditional quartz movement when we live into a brand new smart world? We work conjointly with several partners to create what we call the smart movement. Built around two micromotors, this movement is capable of not only providing accurate time, but it can more importantly be controlled by the watch CPU to automatically adjust time depending on the time zone where you are, and also move the hands where we need them to be on a particular screen. As a result, no fear of having hands covering the text on your emails or messages. We can position them the way we want to deliver the best reading experience, and they will go back to their original position automatically.
Having our own OS allows us to customize our UX and deliver the highest level of compatibility for iOS and Android users.
Z-Time is also embedding some of the most advanced technologies, like a 3 LED heart rate monitoring solution, delivering precise and accurate measures of your cardiac frequency throughout the day or at a particular point in time when you need it. We also decided to replace the traditional crown with a very advanced smart crown, helping users to enhance their navigation experience inside a polished and nicely designed user interface.
The experience will be improved and enhanced week after week with regular over-the-air updates, offering new watch faces, new applications, and also new features.
Z-Time is with no doubt an amazing timepiece that will for sure reset the future of the smartwatch industry.
When I started in early 2013, people thought that I was mad. Why would I start a smartwatch company in Switzerland in such a challenging market? It turns out that my vision and passion have paid off, as our company has sold nearly 2 million smartwatches since then. We have established strong foundations in Europe, and now we are willing to expand worldwide. Today, we want consumers to embrace our amazing journey with Z-Time and be the first ones to get their hands on this groundbreaking innovation, as we are heading soon to mass production.
Micronose.